whichever you prefer.
Thank you for this. I was not expecting this really. Pero at the back of my mind, I know how you are, that you are going to prepare something kahit na papano. Pero actually, to be honest with you, thank you for this. Pero parang, maano sa dibdib ko na, meron tayong mga issues ngayon. Alam ko na medyo down tayo, especially last Friday. Gusto ko happy lahat. Ayoko nung... Alam ko na sad tayo last Friday. Kaya sinabi ko kay Ronnie na, Ron, I want to treat them. Sabi ko gano'n, let's prepare something for them. Gusto ko yung masaya tayo. Gusto ko yung hindi yung nag-iiyakan. Ayoko nung umiiyak tayo. Kaya actually, I am thinking of a way to escape this scenario. Kaya sabi ko,
Hindi, Boracay na lang.
sana sabi ko, teka, may FL ako, so last 2 days. Ano kaya, Monday na lang pala ako papasok, ano kaya, hindi na lang ako pumasok. Kasi talagang nag-escape ako ng ganitong itsura na mag-iiyakan. Gusto ko happy lahat. Gusto ko blessed tayo lahat. Kung meron nga masabi kay Lord, kasi I know I am so blessed na more than what I deserve in all aspects. My family, friends, little comfort in life, everything, and I thank the Lord for all the blessings. Gusto ko sana lahat ganun. Kaya lang, of course, iba-iba naman tayo ng buhay. Kaya, what I want to say to you is prayers. Kasi, I've been through a lot of tests sa health ko most especially. Kung hindi nyo pa po alam, last Saturday, I underwent total thyroidectomy. I have fears. First of all, as you know, I have a pacemaker. And one of my fear is if I can survive the procedure. Kasi meron akong heart problem. Secondly is the result of the biopsy. Yun ang susunod ko na fear. Makasurvive ako, yun namang result ng biopsy. But because of my strong faith in the Lord, kasi yung marami na po akong pinagdaanan sa aking breast, kala nila cancer yon. But with God's grace, imagine na turn around yung diagnosis from carcinoma to just a simple fibroadenoma. So that's one miracle. Even before, kay papa ko, he was diagnosed ng cancer. Pero na-turn around din yung diagnosis, TB of the intestine pala. So our family is so blessed na marami kaming miracles that happened to us. And kaya itong aking huling challenge in my health, sabi ko, siguro tinetest lang ni Lord yung faith ko. So, kayo po, because of my experiences with miracles, may miracle talaga. So, if prayer is if prayer is going to be your habit, and miracles will happen to you. Kaya po, Thanksgiving for all the blessings. Sabi ko kay Ronnie, gusto ko silang gusto ko silang i-treat. So let's look for a place outside of the office na wala na ganitong mga program. We will just party. Kasi it's so memorable. Like, in my 40th o 50th birthday ko yun.
Shangri-La.
Diba hindi nyo makalimutan yun, no?
Yes.
We had so much fun. Memories talaga, hindi makalimutan. Even now, if you're going to reminisce my birthday celebration, may tatak talaga. Kaya, sasabihin na lang namin kung kailan na tayo magse-celebrate. So thank you so much. Hindi nyo rin siguro ako mamimiss kasi Si Ronnie naman nandito every Friday. So, sasama ako sa kanya. Baka nga sabihin niyo, ito na naman ito. Nag-retire na nga, nandito pa.
Mababawasan yung trabaho ng mga nurses kasi ikaw ang medsec ni Ronnie every Friday.
Actually, I tried my best talaga to extend this retirement because I want to see the laboratory already in
Full bloom.
operation. Pero January, yung mga anak ko, sabi niya na naman si Mama, re-retire na naman daw, extend na naman, sabi ko. So sabi ko, sige, December, siguro by December, the lab will be operational. Pero wala pa rin, hindi pa rin. Sabi ko, sige, next year, siguro, January naman. Kasi may development naman yung Pero hindi pa rin, pero hindi ko na yata maiintay yung So, I just hope you're going to invite me for the opening of the laboratory. Sa dental naman, I've spent how many years in the dental services and masaya talaga kami din noon with the medical missions, yung mga overnights, enjoy talaga. So, anong pang sasabihin ko? Good luck to every one of you. I hope na everybody will be also blessed and looking forward to seeing you again every Friday. Sasama ako kay Ronnie. Sabi kasi niya, naku, retire ka na. Baka naman akong pagdiskitahan mo. Tatawag ka sa akin, nasan ka na? Uwi ka na. Yung mga anak mo, sasabihin, nasaan ka na? Di ka naman nagpaalam, ganyan. Kaya tatakot sila sa sa aking retirement. Sige po, maraming salamat. Di ko na patatagalin kasi gutom na tayong lahat. Maraming salamat. This is going to be a very memorable day for me. Sige, thank you so much and God bless us all.
Okay, on that note, we would like to